Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and make sure to not miss out on any of our content. So guys, a quick announcement is that the Chainpoint Conference is coming up on the 14th and the 15th of October and will be taking place in Yerevan, Armenia. Vigen, who is the founder and president of the Armenian Blockchain Association, is the main man in charge of this event. And what they have done is they've been very kind to offer us a discount. So everyone in my community gets a 20% discount. The link is below in the comments. So today's video is going to be about, is there a perfect time to invest? How can I time my investing and all of this stuff? Let me get this straight already, guys. There is no perfect time to invest. What we can do is obviously improve resource management, improve timing, and certain mentalities that we can take or adopt that might help us. So first of all, it's about understanding the mentality of a retail investor. So you need to see, when people are speaking about cryptocurrencies, what's the feeling, because a lot of people, as we know it, they like to buy it when the prices are up. So when they're soaring, that's when they feel confident that it's going to keep going up, or, there's a bigger market sentiment, more people are speaking about it, more news are posting about it. And this obviously attracts more, let's say, less experienced investors to put money in. So you as the individual investor have to decide for yourself and say, okay, I'm going to step back now just because too many people are buying into it, and I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait until we see prices dropping, people selling off, then I'm going to go for it. Which leads us to our second point, which is going against your gut feeling and going against that consumer mentality approach. And this is basically saying that when the prices are soaring, hands off. What we're going to do is we're going to wait until the prices start dropping and going down, because at that point, less people are inclined to buy, more people are selling. And logically in your head, this should be a buy signal, right? Because people don't want to take that risk when the price is low, only a handful of people, let's say 1 or 2% of all investors, will actually take that leap and buy at the low prices just because they know now this is a good signal to get into the market. So the third point is accumulation. Accumulation is key, and I do advise it for a lot of people that have a job and have certain incomes or financial restraints, and they can't put their monthly income into Bitcoin or whatever. They need to spread it out month by month, bit by bit, and that way they accumulate. And the whole idea here is that you don't have to spend all of your savings or all of your income and put it all into crypto within that month. You can start buying it, month by month or week by week, whatever your preferences are. And this way you also spread the risk, which means that if you see the price is slightly higher at that point, okay, whatever, you can still buy in. Then you see it dropping and you can buy in again, and on and on and on. And so what you're doing here is you're building it up, and you have different buy or sell targets just because you didn't go all in at one price, you spread it out. And that obviously is a very important factor when it comes to investing. The last point here is obviously, again, building up long-term portfolios. So no one has gotten rich overnight or in a week or in a month, maybe 1 in 10 million. But apart from that, it takes time. It can take 6 months, it can take a year, it can take 3 years, or even 5. So my advice here is that think long term, think of the bigger picture, and also understand that in the short term there's going to be a lot of fluctuations. So it's better to not play on these if you're not an experienced trader. What you do instead is you ride it out. You ride out the wave, you wait until the real value of crypto is reflected. And this happens within a year, 3 or 5 years too. So be realistic with your targets. Make sure to understand that long term is one of the best ways to make steady money over time. So to summarize, guys, what I like to say is that, again, there is no perfect moment to invest. It does not exist. What you can do is combine a few strategies of timing and resource management to get the best and the most effective results. What I mean is that accumulation is one way to go, long-term thinking is another, and going against the general market sentiment is crucial, just because it already puts you at odds of winning, as compared to if you go with the herd. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the show. If you have and taken away 1-2 points, make sure to smash the like button, leave a comment below, subscribe, and last but not least, stay safe, stay smart, stay humble, and take care.
Asni.